असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video we are going to solve exercise 5.1 problem number 14. Look at the question. Points P and Q are both in the same line segment AB and on the same side of its midpoint. P divides AB in the ratio 2:3 and Q divides AB in the ratio 3:4. If PQ equals to 2 centimeter, so it is considered this 2 centimeter, then find the length of the line segment AB. So look at here. So given a line segment AB, this is the AB line segment, and okay, consider any X is the midpoint. Okay, we don't use this midpoint concept here, but just for the sake of PQR on the same side of its midpoint. Okay, that is why I am taking midpoint here. Okay, this is a X, it is a midpoint of AB, and PQ lies, PQ both in the same line segment AB on the same side of its midpoint. P divides AB in the ratio 2:3. So with respect to, okay, so P divides AB in 2:3 ratio. Okay, so for example, consider total 3, if we divide this into total 3 parts. Okay, so into that P 2 parts and this is consider 3 parts. P divides AB in the ratio 2:3. Okay, this is 2 parts, this is 3 parts. Okay, right. Next, total parts is 5. Total parts are 5. Okay, right. Next, taking again AB line segment. Okay, so with the point of Q, or else we can take on the same line segment only. Okay, so this is a P point, and P and Q lies same side of the line. Okay, it is Q, my point is Q. Okay, so with respect to Q, yeah, so Q divides AB in a 3:4 ratio. Okay, so this is 3 points, I mean 3 parts, this is 4 parts. Okay, right. Suppose if I want to find the length of P parts. Okay, so P part length is already given 2 centimeter. Okay, but this is equals to how much? So PQ is equals to QB minus PB. So but looking appearance, PB is greater than QB, but actually QB contains 4 parts and PB contains 3 parts. Okay, right. So that is why I am taking QB first. QB minus PB. Yeah, QB how many parts? 4 parts, minus PB how many parts? 3 parts. That is nothing but 1 part. Okay, so this 1 part, so PQ is equals to 1 part, that is equals to 2 centimeters, isn't it? 1 part is equals to 2 centimeters because PQ length is given 2 centimeters already here. Okay, in the question there is no centimeters, we consider this is 2 centimeter. Okay, you forgot to give in there. So PQ equals to 1 part, 1 part is equals to 2 centimeter here. Is it clear? Right. So now AB is equals to AP plus, okay, I will take here, yeah, with respect to P, AB is equals to AP plus PB, isn't it? That is nothing but AP 2 parts plus PB 3 parts, total 5 parts, isn't it? Next, with respect to Q, what is the AB length? AB is equals to AQ plus QB, that is nothing but AQ given 3 parts plus QB 4 parts, that is nothing but 7 parts. Is it clear? Right. So remember this thing, 1 part is equals to 2 centimeter. Okay, we got 5 parts, 7 parts. So I am going to use here LCM concept to find the length of AB here. Okay, so take the LCM of 5, 7. Okay, what is the LCM of 5, 7? They are prime numbers, nothing but LCM is product of 5, 7. If the numbers are prime numbers, what is the LCM? LCM is nothing but their product, that is nothing but 5 into 7, 35. Okay, this is nothing but centimeters. Okay, is it clear? Right, not centimeters, 35. Okay, so that 35, each part is so how many total parts? Total parts is now 35. Okay, for 1 part 2 centimeter, 35 parts, how much? How we calculate this? Nothing but 35 into 2 centimeter, that is nothing but 70 centimeters. Okay, so now we got 70 centimeter is the length of the AB. Okay, so I am writing here. So this is one more part. So length of AB is equals to 70 centimeter. Okay, yeah, remember the procedure. Right.